To the Batmobile. Let's go.
Hello and welcome back. Today we've rebranded, we've changed. This is RevMan. Change the logo, change everything, change the name, and let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the intro? I thought it was really quite cool, but you guys can let me know in the comments. Today I will be going forward as RevMan, and on today's video we're going to be discussing the top 5 BMWs to buy under 10k, whether it's in the UK, US or wherever it is, and they're going to be all under 10k. What we're going to be going over today is the 420D, the 320D, the 420D Gran Coupe, the 435D, and last but not least, I think the best on the list, the M235i. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? Alright, first is the 420D. Just look at this lovely pearlescent white coupe 420D. Eh? It's the F series obviously, because the G series is a bit too expensive, but nonetheless, a little bit about the car. The F series was launched obviously in 2013, if you didn't know, something for you to know. In the engine, we've got a 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel, and it's pushing 190 brake horse, so it's, you know, it's okay. It's a good car for the buck, bang for the buck, and 400 newton meters of torque. When it comes to fuel economy, this is why I would choose the 420D over the 420i, because it gives you about 4 to 5 litres per 100 kilometers. I think that's what it was. Those sort of, I don't know why I told you 100 kilometers, but you know what? Convert it yourself, mate. It's about 50 mpg, let's say. Yeah. Anyway, the interior, the inside is high quality materials. We've got the iDrive entertainment. We've got the M Sport. We've got the buttons at the back. You know, the buttons at the back. Oh, we've even got that thing that pushes your seatbelt forward. How lovely, yeah? I'm in the paddle shifter, so obviously you want to get auto shift into manual and do the paddles. That's more fun to drive. We got the infotainment. I would get Apple CarPlay because it's a lot easier to use, a lot nicer, a lot smoother, and it's comfortable, I would say, you know, for a 4 series. Comfort, when we get to the rear, you'll see the rear, it's enough space. It's enough space. I wouldn't recommend 4 large, 5 large adults. It'd be for 4 people. As you can see, this is how you get in. It's a bit tight, but it does move the seats forward for you and stuff. You can move it forward and back, and once we put it back, yeah, it's just about enough space. Not the best, but you know, does good enough. Anyway, so it's a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. You can go from 0 to 100 km an hour in 7.5 seconds. So 0 to 60 is 7.5. It's not the best, you know, but you can map these and whatnot, and make them faster, make them more fun. Don't get twisted, these are quite fun, quite cool. If you want everything sports, if you want it to look good, stand out, good for MPGs and a sporty look. Maybe not the best on the exhaust sounds, but this would be a car to go to. This is the go-to car. It's even got armrest here on the back, and you open this up, it's got cup holders. How lovely. So what more can I tell you? The 420D F Series is a strong contender in the luxury coupe market, offering a blend of style, performance and technology at a relatively reasonable price in the used car market. And this is what we're talking about today. All these cars are going to be under 10k, and our BMW obviously. That's all that matters. So it's not too cramped, you still get out of the car, and yeah. But to me, it's got lovely space, even in the boot. It's got just the right amount for 2 luggages, I'd say. You can I could probably fit myself in the boot as well. So yeah, that's on the 420D. Next, we've got something a bit more spacious, a bit more room in the rear. And no, it's not the Gran Coupe. We're going on to the 320D. See that? See how your 320D can sound and look? Yes, exactly. That's exactly what you want, don't you? Because believe it or not, the 320D, which is F series as well, is one of the most popular models in the BMW 3 Series range, which is, you'd be not surprised, right? Look at these wheels, lovely wheels on this. Anyway, it's a perfect blend of performance, efficiency and luxury. I think the 3 Series were produced from 2011 to 2019, I believe. So that's what represents major shift in BMW's approach with a focus on technology, driving dynamics, and fuel efficiency. We're going for fuel efficient cars for you guys under 10k, because obviously we got nice cars, sporty cars ish, and you know, that still look good. I don't know about this wing, but hey ho, each to their own. We all have our own tastes, we all have our own preferences, and that's what matters at the end of the day. So anyway, so same thing under this car. It's just got 5 doors compared to 3 doors. Some people prefer this, some people prefer the 4 Series. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. One thing for sure is they're both 2 litres, 4 cylinders, turbocharged diesel engines. And this also produces 190 brake horse and 400 Nm of torque, which provides a strong and responsive performance for a compact sedan. Believe it or not, look at these lovely yellow bars. Anyway, the 0 to 60 on this is about 7.2 seconds, so it's a little bit faster than the 4 Series, maybe because it's a bit lighter, but not that much faster. So I would say it depends on your preference of your looks of cars. Anyway, so what more should I tell you about this? Fuel efficiency, also very similar, 50 mpg, probably more, depends on how you drive. You can get these in 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic transmission. I forgot to mention this and the 4 Series are both rear-wheel drive. The 435D. This is the high performance version of the 4 Series, right? Let me just let you know, this is fast, very fast. 3 litre inline 6-litre diesel engine, N57 engine, alright? Delivers 313 brake horsepower and 630 Nm of torque, okay? 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. This is what you want. It's still fuel efficient and you can still get it around 10k. Yeah, it's possible. Exactly the same as the 4 Series, nothing different besides what's under the bonnet. And yes, I prefer this. Once it's modded out, it can still sound amazing and look even better. Next, we got the 420D Gran Coupe. Oof, look at this, beautiful blacked out 5-door. You'd think it's a 3 Series, but no, it's actually a 4 Series and it's the Gran Coupe. Why would you go for the Gran Coupe, you may ask? Because it's 5 doors and you don't like the look of the 3 Series, so you choose the 4 Series. I think it's mainly in the front the difference is. So, you know, got more space in the rear really. It's got a hatchback trunk, which is also different compared to the traditional trunk we will have. Rear seats give you more space, easier access. This looks really nice with a sunroof. You can also get that in the normal 4 Series as well. It gives you more flexibility. You can get larger cargo space if you ever feel like flying cargo. It's a bit more heavier, similar engine performance. The Coupe is also going to be a bit quicker, but this one's more sleeker, more practical, and has a longer body, whereas the Coupe is more compact and has a more aggressive design. But as you can see, there's a lot more space here compared to the Coupe. Depends on you, depending on your preference and the person in your life really. This is more comfort oriented, less agile, and the Coupe is more sporty and sharper handling really. This costs a little bit more, but you can still get these around in the 10k region. And look, this is the hatchback trunk I was talking about. It goes up. It's really quite cool, really nice. A bit more spacious, a bit more family friendly, a bit more practical. But who says you still can't drift these out and mod them out just how you like any other car really. So yeah, here's another look at how this looks. I think these look great. The M235i. Does that not just sound lovely? Look how it looks. Very sleek, very compact, very sporty. Okay, anyway, that's enough glazing of the M235i. We wouldn't get the 2 Series. If you want to get the 2 Series, get this. Because, you know, tank size is 250 miles. Yeah, that's what you get in a full tank. I'm going to let you guys read this on the description. I'm going to let you guys read this part. And I'm going to tell you some facts. It's a 3 litre inline 6 turbocharged engine, 322 brake horsepower, 450 Nm, alright? The 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. So if you're in the budget and you're looking for either a 435D or M235i, I would choose M235i because it's a bit more. Actually, that's a lie, it's a tough one. Maybe the 435D. It is really nice as well. It's very hard to choose. but you know, depends on you, depends on your preference. If you like a bit more compact or a longer design, it's up to you. I think they both look great. One obviously is going to sound a bit better because it's a petrol engine, one's a diesel. Everyone has their preferences, depending on the facelift models as well for these. I think this one's 2016, but that'll be a bit more above the 10k. So yeah. Anyway, I digress. Top speed 155 miles per hour, very fast. You get either 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. These are also rear-wheel drive, so if you like to be a drifty boy, you know, you can do that. Fuel economy, it's not the best here on the list. 30 miles per gallon basically. We've got the interior M Sport seats. We've got the leather seats, heated seats. I think there's some stitching on some of these seats, which are really nice. Very different variants you can get out there. Here's another M235i. Yeah, you know you like that sound. How lovely. Anyway, so the M235i is a compact, high-performance sports coupe. Okay, it's gonna offer you a thrilling driving experience with that turbocharged 6-litre engine. Okay, luxurious features, but you know, it's not as extreme as the M2. But the M235i is a very, very powerful car. It gives you an excellent balance of performance and everyday usability. It's a very popular choice for you enthusiasts out there. But anyway, out of all these cars that you've seen on the list today, at the top 5, what do you guys think? What's your opinion? Let me know in the comments. Did I miss any cars? Is there something that you would have mentioned instead of, or would you replace the car here? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.